Maple Fleet Services in Stockport, security for all commercial vehicles from vans to sort of 18-tonners, 18-wheelers?
Yep, correct.
Okay. Now, your machine shop's only been going for about 2 years?
Yeah, just over 2 years now. So we were subbing a lot of the work out, and then we decided, well, why don't we bring it in-house, and it sort of took off from there.
So the company itself, though, sorry to interrupt, how long has the company been going?
Since 1974, so over 40 years now.
Big move, though, to bring it all in-house. Only 2 years,
massive,
though.
Massive, yeah. 2 years is a short amount of time to get a machine shop off the ground. To tool it up, bring processes in-house, and all the rest of it. It's quite a feat, yeah.
And they're premium products, so you've got to get it all right.
Exactly, yeah. So tolerances, material, everything's got to be bang on, and it all starts with your machines and your work holding.
Yeah, a premium machine shop, so you need a premium vice?
Exactly, yeah. So Orange Vise was the choice. We wanted accuracy, we wanted repeatability, and we needed quality.
I suppose it starts, though, with, you know, saying accurate repeatability. It needs to be solid, rigid, accurate. So how is it made?
It's machined from a solid piece of Dura-Bar, and then it's precision ground on all four sides. So it's a really, really quality product.
Okay. And then you wanted, it's got double stations, is that right? But you also wanted flexibility in terms of putting more than two on, or more, one or two on your machine bed, is that right?
Yeah, that's right. So we had space for a single station vice next to our trunnion, and obviously we wanted to double the efficiency of that. So with a double station vice, you get twice as much.
Absolutely. So you've got that double station vice. Is it easy in terms of changing the jaws, etc.?
Yeah, so you can actually swap from single station to double station on that vice. So if you need the full travel of the vice, I think they're 20 inches, you can put obviously quite large parts in, and then you can swap back to a double station, and that's done quite easily. There's a spring plunger system, and the jaws just pop off.
So nice and simple. So how long do you reckon to change jaws?
I think you could do a full swap from single to double in less than 5 minutes, easy.
Okay, so nice and simple. But also, with the double station, is there an issue in terms of clamping equally on both components?
No, so it's equal clamping via the screw. And there's a brake system on the back that allows you to set the distances between your work pieces. So you can have two different size work pieces in one vice.
Okay, and then you've loaded up your jaws, so soft jaws, hard jaws, not a problem?
Yeah, soft jaws, hard jaws, talon grips, anything, we'll chuck them in there, mix it up. That's the beauty of the double station.
And what sort of pressure will that hold to?
I think they're tested to £10,000.
Right. Have you done that yet?
No, nowhere near. Nowhere near. But it's nice to know that it could sort of handle that sort of force, yeah.
Now, when loading the modules, the jaws, etc., in terms of accuracy, repeatability, do you get that with this system?
Yeah, so they're repeatable to 12.5 microns. It's actually run on a dowel system. So that's how you swap from single to double station. You dowel in the centre or dowel on the edge for single station.
Okay. But that dowel with the system, it's not quite tight as such. It moves a bit, but when it's up against the stop, that's when you get that accuracy.
Correct, yeah. So there's a spring plunger that actuates the jaw against the dowels, and that's what brings you up to obviously square, and that's what gives you repeatability.
Okay, so you're a little bit concerned, I think, initially when it moved, but once it's against that stop, it's rigid, it's going nowhere.
Correct, yeah. So initially we had some doubts, but once it was taught to the correct figure, we found that it was repeatable to what was spec'd in the book, which was nice to see.
Okay, now the system itself, modular?
Very modular. That's the aim of the game with the Orange Vise. We could, like I said, we could swap between single, double station. It's got the Carvesmart system, so you can swap out jaws in little to no time. There's a pallet system that we've looked at, and I'm pretty sure there's some ball lock technology as well for bolting to subplates and stuff like that.
Nice and easy. And then I suppose, last but not least, in terms of durability of it, in terms of servicing, and it's easy to strip down and clean?
Yeah, it's really easy. So every part of the vise comes apart. The centre screw comes out, each jaw comes out, and you can basically strip it down to just a shell, which makes it real easy to get the chips out. Yeah, it's just all in all an easy product to work with.
There you go. I think that's it. Big smile on Daniel's face. That's the Orange Vise, and we're at Maple Fleet Services. Thank you very much.
Cheers.